welcome back. We are setting up the Christmas tree and it is the time of the season, so let's go. This is a bass song.
You'll be all my own in a big way. And that's my only wish this is.
Christmas. Thank you guys for following Life of Kirti. Okay, so, what are some of the movies to watch during Christmas? I'm gonna give you a couple of my favorite movies to watch during Christmas. So here is the list. One of the top favorites is Polar Express, which is a classic, a Christmas classic. And I'm gonna put the screenshot in the video so that you can, refer to the video and watch the movie if you would like. And then the second movie is A Christmas Carol. It's something that I watched when I was in the school, and it's part of the literature books, and so kind of like takes me back to my childhood, so you should definitely watch if you haven't. And then the next movie that my husband suggests is, which one was it?
Home Alone.
Home Alone. So yeah, I mean that's two parts, right? Home Alone 1.
Well, the first one is pretty good.
Okay, so Home Alone is definitely on the list. That's a must watch. And so this is one of my favorites. I don't know if it falls into the Christmas bucket, but it's the You've Got Mail. So if you guys are into romance and kind of like a slow movie, then this is one of the movies to definitely watch. So you next, and then Narnia. I know it's not like a Christmas movie, but that it's definitely has the snow and it gives the winter vibes. So it's something that you can binge watch. To the list, like I think Harry Potter is the next movies that you should definitely binge watch during the winters. And then what's the other movie that you were saying?
Die Hard.
Okay, Die Hard, I don't remember the movie, but I think my husband is suggesting you guys to definitely watch it. So I guess like people who have already watched it, you will understand the reference that he's making. So I guess that's it. So if you have any more suggestions for me or to anybody else, you can always comment below in the video. And I hope you like these movies and keep yourself busy this Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye.